Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi. My channel is Virendra Dear channel. I am a motivational director and a professor who really creates impulse and stimulates the mind and heart of the millions of the people for becoming great human. Today I am taking a new chapter. I want to educate my friends who have bought some automatic car but they don't know how to drive it. They have been driving manual car. But here is a Tata Nexon with automatic gearbox, 6-speed. So what do you do once you want to really learn how to drive automatic car? You put your this gear shifter not in any automatic, but in neutral, not in reverse, neutral, and then trigger this key so that the machine will start. But you have to keep your leg pressed. You see here, this brake has to be pressed, then only it starts when it is in neutral mode, and then well begun is half done. You see, your car is in neutral mode and your leg is pressing that brake. Now you have to start, so be very sure. You cannot start your car when it is in automatic mode or the reverse mode. If it is in automatic mode, you see it has come to auto mode, or in the reverse mode you cannot start your car, it will not start. I have experienced myself. It is neutral, so it will not move. So in neutral only, by pressing brake you have to trigger. Either it is automatic, press button, here there is no place here, this the automatic start is there, but it is a manual. You have to clockwise rotate the key so it starts. Then what you do, just keep the pressed and shift the gear to the automatic drive. You see the screen is showing automatic drive. It's very simple, but you have to do little practice. And then slowly release the brake. The vehicle start picking up. You see the vehicle has started picking up. And it will keep on moving. Slowly you have to accelerate. And here there are different modes also, you see. CT, Eco and Sports. Eco is the most fuel efficient mode. Like I am in the jungle, so it is very pleasant to drive. This is Nani city of Bibinagar, Telangana state of India. So it is very pleasant to drive in this less fuel consumption and more mileage. That is the most beautiful mode to be most fuel economic. Some of my friends, like my best friend Ajit, Carbound India has recommended, and he has discovered that it can get something like 20 km per liter to something like 22 km per liter. So this is in automatic mode and the gear is just one, because this is just for learning and educating friends. If you accelerate faster, you see here, my leg is on accelerator, the vehicle will move faster. Then at a particular speed, the gear shifter will automatically change. Now I am stopping, so I am applying brake. But when you are driving automatic car, be sure your left leg is dummy. It has no business, because generally we use the left leg to change the gears. So there is no shifter, clutch, there is no clutch. So never use your left leg. Ajit has also narrated and suggested, never use your left leg. Otherwise you will press the brake in such a hard way. You see how jerk is coming? You will be in big trouble. So right leg is only accelerating. You see, this is accelerating, and this is accelerating, and this is retarding or deaccelerating. So it is very simple. Now, if you want to reverse your car, press the clutch, bring it to neutral, and then go to reverse. Now you see the unit is showing you, the display is showing reverse. And slowly release it and see the car is moving the reverse. Car is going back, you see. So it's very simple, but 20, 30 years of experience of driving a car which is basically manual is very hard habits. So many mistakes I have also done when I learned this. Now if you want to stop the car, apply brake, and left leg is just not there. That's why I bound I bound a putty here, you know, so that I should never use it. Go to neutral. Go to neutral. You see the display is neutral, and then go to apply the brake and go to auto drive. And this is first gear. Vehicle starts moving. So best of luck. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really thanks a lot of my friends who has given a lot of reviews of this car. But I also have some reviews. This car should be better 4x4 drive, because people like us who is fakir does not have money to buy Harrier or Campus or BMW X5, S6, Porsche Cayenne, and so many great Jeep Grand Cherokee, GL63. These people can have the pleasure to drive this small car, which is the safest and the best car in this country, and it can compete with any best in the world. So Mr. Ratan Tata, whom I worship like Godfather, deserves all the appreciation. Thank you, viewers. Feel proud of India. Vocal for local. This is made in India, the best car in this segment, and I will congratulate you if you buy this. This is Fakir Yogi Birendra Yogi, Director of GVK EMRI, Kompally, Betchel, Telangana State of India. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.